Let us now derive the value of the coefficient bk. The formula for that is 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of theta sine k theta d theta, and this integral again we split from 0 to pi and then pi to 2 pi, and from pi to 2 pi we know f of theta is 0. So this above equation will get simplified as 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of theta sine k theta d theta. What is the value of f of theta? It is given by Im sine theta. So I'll write Im sine theta and this sine k theta as it is. So sine k theta d theta. So we get Im by pi into integral from 0 to pi. Here I can take this as sin A sin B, and sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B by 2. So you will get cos of A minus B, that is cos k theta minus cos theta minus cos of A plus B k plus 1 into theta to d theta by, we have 2 here. So you will get Im by 2 pi into integral of cos is sine. So I write it as sine k minus 1 into theta by k minus 1 minus sine k plus 1 by k plus 1 between the limits 0 to pi. Now when I substitute the limits, if I substitute pi, we will get sine of k minus 1 into pi, and if we substitute here also we will get sine of k plus 1 into pi. So therefore when we substitute the values, that is whether it is the sine pi values or for 0 values, we will get 0 whether k is even number or whether k is an odd number. If I substitute k as some even number, 2 minus 1, it will be 1. So therefore sin pi will be 0. So like that we will get all the terms as 0. So therefore whether k is equal to even number or odd number, the value of bk is going to be 0. So we will substitute the values of a0, ak and bk in order to find the frequency components. Let us now write all the values together. So we'll get our equation in place of f of theta. I am writing I here because we are deriving the frequency components of the output current. So I can write I is equal to, our first value is a0. Our a0 value is Im by pi. So therefore a0 plus ak. We got the ak value only when k is equal to even. So I can write when k is equal to any even number from 0 to infinity. Okay, we got the equation as, or the value of ak as minus 4Im by 2 pi into k square minus 1. We have a0 plus ak cos k theta. So here we will write cos k theta plus bk, all is 0 for all the values of k. So therefore we will get only a0 plus ak. So if we just expand this and write other terms, let us write few terms for k is equal to even. Okay, we will get the first term as minus 2 pi by 2Im, this is I, minus 2Im by 3 pi into cos 2 theta, then minus 2Im by 15 pi into cos k theta, and so on. This is the equation which we will get, where how we got this 3 pi. First of all 2 and 4 we can cancel, so we get 2 in the numerator, and the first even number if we get substitute 2, that is 2 square, 4 minus 1 is 3 pi. Similarly here again we got 2 in the numerator, and again next number, that is if we substitute 4, 16 minus 1 we will get 15 pi. Like that we will get all the terms. Here it should be 4. It is 4 not k, because we are substituting k is equal to 4.